Transform your video calls with the stunning clarity of your Nikon Z50. Today, we're going to take you through the simple steps to connect your Nikon Z50 to your PC and use it as a high-quality webcam, giving your online presence a serious upgrade. First, you'll need a few things: your Nikon Z50 camera, its genuine USB-C cable, and your PC. Make sure your camera battery is sufficiently charged, as this process can drain it. Locate the USB-C port on your Nikon Z50. It's usually found on the side of the camera, often behind a small flap. Carefully insert the USB-C cable into this port, ensuring a secure connection. Now, take the other end of the USB-C cable and plug it into a USB port on your computer. Your PC should recognize that a device has been connected. Next, you'll need to download the official Nikon webcam utility software. Head over to the Nikon website, navigate to the support section, and search for the webcam utility for your operating system, whether that's Windows or macOS. Once downloaded, run the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully to complete the installation process. This is a straightforward process. Just click through the wizard. With the software installed, power on your Nikon Z50. The camera should automatically switch into webcam mode shortly after being connected and the software running. You should see a live feed from your camera appearing on the camera's own screen. Now, open your preferred video conferencing or streaming application. Go into the application settings, usually found under Video or Camera Settings, and look for the camera input selection. You should see Nikon Z50 or Nikon Webcam Utility listed as an option. Select your Nikon Z50 from the list, and voila! You're now using your Z50 as your webcam. Enjoy the significantly improved video quality that comes with its advanced sensor and interchangeable lenses. This is perfect for making a professional impression in your next virtual meeting or live stream.